Welcome everyone to today's session is about stepping confidently into the COLP role, Compliance Officer for Legal Practice. Now, this is one of the most significant appointments in a law firm because the regulator sees you as the guardian of ethical and regulatory compliance. So we will look at what the SRA expects from you as a COLP, the key systems you have in place from day one, how to avoid common traps, if I can call them that have led to COLPs being sanctioned, and practical culture building steps to make your role easier and more effective. Now, what we'll do is we'll use real case studies so you can learn from other firms' mistakes rather than repeat them. Before we dive into tips, let's take a careful look at what it actually means to be a COLP, the Compliance Officer for Legal Practice. Now, as you may well be aware, the COLP is the SRA's designated compliance contact for your firm. This means if the regulator wants to understand how your firm manages risk or to discuss a breach, they come to you. Yeah. Your core duties fall into four main areas. One is to maintain systems for compliance. So you need to make sure the firm has proper processes and controls to comply with SRA standards and regulations. That includes things like conflict checking, file supervision, client confidentiality, reporting, and systems to track breaches and the like. Next, recording and assessing breaches. So any compliance failure, big or small, must be logged. Now, you decide if it's minor, if it can be fixed internally, or if it's material and needs to be reported. Now, regulators expect a clear breach register, so you must have one of those, yeah? An SRA breach register that you keep for file for your firm, and evidence that you're reviewing it continuously and or updating it when you need to. You should be able to report material breaches, so if something is serious enough to risk client money, public trust, or the SRA's principles, you must inform the SRA promptly.